Hello students, welcome to Kanika's Maths classes. Students, today we are going to discuss class 11 topic which is functions. In our previous video we discussed the relation, the types of relation, how we can represent a relation. We discussed the three types of representing a relation like set builder form, roster form and arrow diagram. We also discussed the types of relation also. If you remember, wide relation, reflexive relation, symmetric relation, transitive relation. Now we are going to discuss function. We can say that a function is a special type of relation. This concept is really very important for all of you, class 11th and class 12th. As in the class 12th, there is unit 1, which is the same relation and function. It's further concepts in these topics. Still, this is a basic concept as well as in 11th and in 12th also. So let us start with the definition of function. You remember we represent the relation with symbol R, capital R, but we'll represent the function with small letter f. A relation f from a set A to set B to a set B is said to be a function, is said to be a function. कि किसी रिलेशन को आप फंक्शन कह सकते हैं if every element of set A, every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. कि अगर किसी सेट A में जो एलिमेंट्स हैं उनकी सेट B में वन एंड ओनली वन इमेज होनी चाहिए, एक और बस एक इमेज होनी चाहिए. वी कैन एक्सप्लेन इट बाय अ एरो डायग्राम. If we have set A and set B, here we have 1, 2, 3 and we have here in set B A, B, C. So image of 1 is A, image of 2 is B, image of 3 is C. By the arrow diagram, we can get the concept that every element of set A has a unique image in set B. In other words, we can say that a function is the relation from a set A to another set B such that the domain of F is complete A. Means no element in the A is left without any image. कि A में कोई भी element ऐसा ना हो जिसकी कोई image B में ना हो. And no two distinct order pair. If we write this function as a set of ordered pair 1A, 2B, 3C. No two ordered pair have the सेम फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट कि किसी भी ऑर्डर पेयर में कोई फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट सेम नहीं होना चाहिए. इन दैट केस वी कैन से दैट f is a function. If also we can say that if f is a function and AB ordered pair belongs to f, if f is a function and AB ordered pair belongs to f, then we can say that f of A is equals to B. कि image of A under F is B and A is called the pre-image of B. A is called the pre-image of B. Also the function F is denoted as, फंक्शन f को हम कैसे डिनोट करेंगे, is denoted as f from a to b. ऐसे लिखेंगे f two dots a to b. Read as f is a function from a to b. Also we'll discuss one example कि आपको कोई r रिलेशन गिवन है. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि कोई आपको r रिलेशन गिवन है एंड यू विल हैव टू टेल कि यू विल हैव टू एग्जामिन कि r is a function or not. So we have ordered pair in R 2 1 3 1 4 2. So we will examine this R is a function or not. By the definition we can check कि no two ordered pair have the same first component कि ordered pair में कोई भी फर्स्ट एलिमेंट सेम नहीं है. कि आप देख सकते हैं 3 ऑर्डर्ड पेयर है, फर्स्ट कॉम्पोनेंट 2 3 4 अलग अलग है, कोई किसी भी ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में फर्स्ट कॉम्पोनेंट सेम नहीं है. सो आर इज अ फंक्शन. सो आर इज अ फंक्शन. एज वी कैन डिस्कस वन मोर एग्जाम्पल to examine R is a function or not. So we'll take one more example. As we have R, we have ordered pair 2 2 2 4 3 3 3 4. This is our given relation. We have to examine this R is a function or not. By the definition we can get, let us see, these two ordered pair have the same first component 2 2 2 4 means 2 की इमेज 2 भी है, 2 की इमेज 4 भी है ना. एंड बाय द डेफिनेशन व्हाट वी रीड कि एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट ए हैज़ वन एंड ओनली वन इमेज. कि एक एलिमेंट की एक ही इमेज होनी चाहिए, दो इमेजेस नहीं होनी चाहिए. एंड इन द नेक्स्ट टू ऑर्डर पेयर वी कैन चेक द फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट इज 3 3 मीन्स 3 की इमेज 3 भी है, 3 की इमेज 4 भी है. सो दिस आर इज नॉट अ रिलेशन. दिस आर इज नॉट a function. Relation तो है but it's not a function. So in this way you can check which relation is a function or not. Thank you.